I picked up this StriVectin Tighten and Lift Advanced Neck Cream. You know, in your 50s, you don't like your neck. So I thought I would give this a shot. The cream really does feel silky going on. I've been using it a lot. So 2-week use so far before I reviewed it. I do like to definitely give it a good usage before I give it a review. But feels silky going on, absorbs very well, and you're not sticky or greasy. Gentle on the skin, and I have had no irritation after 2 weeks of use thus far. It is very lightweight, and it is easy to apply. I do apply it on my neck with an upward motion, and I've had no problems thus far. My skin has not had any visible results yet, but I don't have anything negative to say at all. This feels nice on my skin, and it has caused no issues thus far. I am going to continue use because I am very enthusiastic to see what the results could be. So if I get great improvements, I'll be back on to do another review. But so far, I highly recommend.